I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by defining the objective, why this picture needs a QR code, and where people will scan it. Gather the final image in JPG or PNG format and make sure it's under 2 MB for fast loading. Next, open a trusted QR generator or app that supports image embedding. This matters because some tools only create URL codes. Once done, prepare the URL or file upload you'll link to, and keep image file names short to avoid encoding. You now create the QR itself, upload the image or host it, and paste the direct URL into the generator. Choose static for permanent embedding or dynamic if you want to change the destination later. Dynamic adds flexibility. Increase error correction to M or H if you'll overlay a logo or expect damage, because higher correction preserves scannability. Then set output size and colors and always include a quiet zone. Make test prints and scan at actual size to confirm reliability. You finish by exporting the QR in the right format, PNG for print, SVG for sharp scaling on web. Place it on your layout with good contrast and keep it at least 2 centimeters wide for handheld scanning. If it links to an image, ensure the host supports direct access. Finally, test across phones and apps. If scans fail, increase error correction, darken the QR foreground, remove busy backgrounds, and retest under different lighting to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.